I received a broken Apple 12 from fans today. The back glass of the phone did almost fall, but luckily the screen didn't break. The borders are not broken either. It's all in good condition. It looks like it only fell into the rear glass. After discussing with fans, he decided to replace the phone with an original small hole. Rear glass. Check that the electrostatic bracelet is functioning normally. Start maintenance. Lay down the 2 tail screws. This is a dish fixture. Push the phone into the hot dish machine. Start heating. When the temperature reaches, continue to wait for 2 minutes. In this way, the frame of the mobile phone is heated more evenly. Heating complete. First, adjust the suction cup to the appropriate position. The knob above has torque. Turn the knob slowly to turn on the screen. Okay, let's take out the phone. Take a look inside. The cabin is very clean. It hasn't been dismantled before. Take out the disassembly tray. Turn the screen on and fix it. Continue to disassemble. First, put a protective sticker on the face component. Remove the battery bezel. Remove the screen bezel. Disconnect the battery cable first. Disconnect other cables. Carefully remove the screen. Screen removal completed. Next, disassemble the accessories one by one. Remove the face component. This is the protective iron sheet for the big camera. Remove it first. Take out the big camera. Put a protective shell on him. Next is the main board. Remove this little piece of iron. Disconnect all connecting cables from the main board. This boot cable is pressed on the protective sticker below, so tear off the protective sticker first. Disconnect this cable so that the motherboard can be taken out. The main board is also in good condition, no damage. Remove this little iron piece. Remove Kato. Remove the card slot. Remove the speaker. This is the dust holster for the speaker. Don't lose it. This is the vibrating component. Finally, the battery. Pull out the battery glue. Remove the battery. Clean up the long glue. The big accessories have been disassembled. While cleaning the battery glue, let's tap the card slot. Big camera. Face main board. Speaker vibration में key. Battery, okay. No omissions. The battery glue is cleaned up. Next, we need to put the tail plug, and these little cables are all removed. Remove the tail cable. This is the flash cable. Signal antenna. This is also a signal antenna. Look at this bare casing. After all dismantling, we can come and remove the rear glass, because the glass needs to be disassembled at high temperature. If the accessories are not removed clean, it's very easy to have side effects. Heat with air gun. We carefully pried off the rear glass. This step is a little dangerous. Take good protection when operating. Wear goggles. Otherwise, it will be easily scratched by the broken glass that is pried away. We patiently remove the rear glass. Let's take a look at the effect of demolition. Let's dismantle the steel ring. First, put a protective sticker on the border and wrap it well. Use a drill to sand a few gaps in the steel ring. We need to remove the 2 steel rings first. Otherwise, the glass cannot be installed after the original. Remove the steel ring before using the rod. After dismantling, it looks like this. Remove all the protective stickers. Start cleaning the waterproof glue. Put the case. Clean up the residual waterproof glue on the border. Today's maintenance, special postgraduate entrance examination patients. Gotta take it slow. Very time-consuming. Let's see the effect of waterproof glue treatment. Here we go. We need to put the accessories in the middle frame. Install it back first. Support the middle frame. Then install new rear glass. First, put the dust leather set back in place. Install the speakers again. Put on the fixing screws. Put it back into the card slot. This is the signal antenna. Put the main board back. Buckle up all connecting cables. Screw. First twist each screw to a fixed position. Finally, apply the torque one by one. Reapply a new one to the battery. Brand new original battery glue. Just deduct it back. Give the back case of the phone an even one. Put on the original rear glass glue. Put the original small hole requested by this fan. Install the rear glass. Put in the pressing tool. We hold the pressure for 30 minutes. After waiting, the glass glue solidifies. The pressure holding is completed, and we will continue to install the machine. This is the flash cable. Put this little plastic baffle back on. Put on his set screw. Finally, install the antenna back. Glue the steel ring. Reinstall 2 steel rings. Shine a purple light to help solidify. Okay. After arriving here, the glass is all processed. Continue to install. Clean up the position of the big camera. Check the rear camera. Make sure there is no dust and put the big camera back on. This is the protective iron cover for the big camera. Put on his set screw. Hit the torque one by one. Next is the face component. After all are installed, we put a picture on the phone. Brand new original waterproof glue. This is the first pressure holding of the waterproof glue. Pressure holding complete. Take out the screen. Also clean the waterproof glue first. Remember to clean the front camera. Make sure there is no dust. Put the screen back. Put back the battery baffle. Crash back into the screen bezel. Tear off the protective stickers between face groups and the remaining waterproof glue protective film. Close the screen. This time, the waterproof glue maintains pressure for the second time. Restore the waterproof and dust-proof properties of the mobile phone to the greatest extent. Pressure holding complete. Put on the tail screw. End of installation. We can use this one to see the charging wattage. Data cable. Let's turn it on and test it. The phone can be turned on normally. Check the function. Camera function is normal. Wi-Fi is normal. The face function can also be used normally. The sound is normal. Okay, no problem. Mobile phones given to fans as usual. Clean up the speaker network. Mute key and tail socket. Wipe the appearance and screen of the fuselage clean. Do the finishing touches. The fan's mobile phone posted a fully enclosed tempered film. It won't be replaced. This iPhone 12, replacement of original small holes or glass for repair. That's it. It's all over. Look at the effect of this broken phone after repair. Isn't it very beautiful? Finally, let's test it again. Small water droplets that can be kept uniform and full without hanging on the wall. Thanks for watching.